What if every outfit you put on felt like it was made for your body? Today I am breaking down the exact styling formulas for every body type, so you can stop guessing and start dressing with intention. Because elegant dressing is not about your size or your shape, it is about understanding your formula. And once you know yours, everything changes. The hourglass figure is all about celebrating what you already have. Your waist is your best asset, so always define it. Wrap dresses, belted coats and fitted silhouettes are your best friends. Avoid boxy and oversized pieces that hide your natural shape. Stick to fabrics that drape and move with your body: silk, jersey, and soft wool. The formula is simple: fitted on top, fitted on the bottom, always define the waist. For the pear body type, the formula is all about balance. You want to draw attention upward while elongating the lower half. Choose structured tops with interesting details, ruffles, embellishments or bold colors on the upper body. For bottoms, flared skirts and wide-leg trousers are your perfect match. They flow over your hips elegantly without clinging. Pointed heels always elongate your legs beautifully. Balance is your formula. For the apple body type, the formula is all about creating a long, elegant vertical line. Empire waist tops and flowy blouses that skim the midsection are your best pieces. Always pair with straight leg or wide leg trousers to elongate your silhouette. V-necks draw the eye downward and create length. Avoid anything that cuts you at the widest point. Long open cardigans and structured coats are your secret weapon for an instantly polished look. For the rectangle body type, the formula is about creating the illusion of curves. Belted coats and dresses are your number one tool. They instantly define a waist where one feels absent. Choose pieces with volume on top or bottom: peplum tops, flared skirts, wide leg trousers. Wrap styles are incredibly flattering. Layering actually works beautifully for you because it adds dimension and shape to your silhouette naturally. For the inverted triangle body type, the formula is about softening the shoulder line and adding volume below. Simple clean tops with V-necks or scoop necks work best on top. Avoid bold shoulders and heavy embellishments. Wide leg trousers and flared skirts add beautiful volume to the lower body, creating perfect balance. Keep your tops simple and let your bottoms make the statement. That is your elegant formula. Here is what every body type has in common. Elegance is always about proportion and intention. No matter your shape, when you understand your formula, every outfit you put together will look polished, expensive and effortlessly put together. It is never about your size. It is never about your budget. It is always about knowing your formula and dressing with confidence. And that is your complete styling formula for every body type. Save this video, share it with a woman in your life who needs to hear this today. Because every woman deserves to feel elegant in her own body. If this helped you, my full outfit formula library is on this channel. New formula every week. I will see you in the next one. Stay elegant.